Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish dolls, Cat Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Cat's fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. Who can forget Cat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton? For Alexander McQueen, this lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this gorgeous Jenny Pickham gown, Cat's dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But Cat's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always chic and relatable. From classic trench coats to stylish sneakers, Cat's wardrobe tabs are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Cat's, from high heel and high designer like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget. And don't forget to check out online retailers like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks for watching lovers. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join me on Mother Fashion as we explore the chic style of Cat Middleton. From her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Cat's fashion sense is always on point. In this video, we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a royal fan or just fashion lover, you won't miss this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content, hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Let us know in the comments below what do you like to see next. Feel free to customize it as per to your preference. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to trending advice to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. Subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Take